about ads. Honestly, that's not a bad thing. I am Pallavi Pandey, owner and founder at Detox Tableware brand from Portland, Oregon. I am an Amazon seller and I spend thousands of dollars on ads across US and Canada. And guess what? We have 10x return on our ad spend. Here's the biggest insight. Ads are not just for running sales. They are your fastest way to learn with data. Ads actually tell you what your customers are searching for, what keywords convert, what images gets clicks on, and what actual pricing works. Organic growth has limits, but ads unlock the data. Think of it as a simple funnel. First, awareness. Your product shows through discovery ads. Second, clicks. Your keyword plus targeting brings traffic. Third, conversion. Your listing plus A+ content close the sale. And fourth, retention. Your brand builds repeat customers. At every step, you're collecting insights that you can use to improve your entire business. Here's what I wish I knew earlier. Don't underfund ads and expect results. Your budget isn't just spend, it's data. And data leads to smarter decisions. So yes, Amazon ads are not optional. And that's exactly why they're powerful. Because the faster you learn, the faster you grow.